Hi, I'm Kevin Nee, President of Ramco Manufacturing. For over 6 decades, we've been guided by one unwavering principle: only the best is always safe. This commitment drives everything we do, ensuring that our products and services exceed expectations and never compromise on safety. Since 1958, Ramco has been at the forefront of industrial safety. We pioneered the first commercial safety shield for the United States Navy, a groundbreaking solution that set new standards for workplace protection by preventing hazardous sprayouts. Today, industries around the world trust our shields to safeguard their operations. What sets Ramco apart isn't just our history, it's our dedication to quality, service, and reliability. Every shield we manufacture is rigorously tested to meet the highest standards, ensuring exceptional performance under the most challenging conditions. Whether it's galvanized steel for durability, stainless steel for corrosive environments, or advanced thermoplastics for specialized applications, our solutions are designed to address the unique needs of your industry. We understand the pressures you face. For safety officers, our shields ensure compliance and peace of mind. For operations managers, they minimize risks and keep processes running smoothly. For our procurement teams, they offer cost-effective solutions that deliver long-term value and reliability. At Ramco, safety isn't just what we do, it's who we are. Only the best is always safe.